Hello, my dear students of grade 9. Very good morning to all of you. And I am present to provide you some important facts, informations for the chapter Physical Features of India through the online education facilities. Dear students, you know that the oldest landmass was a part of Gondwana land. The Gondwana land included India, Australia, South Africa, South America, and Antarctica. These were the part of a single landmass, but conventional current split the Gondwana land into different parts. Due to this reason, Indo-Australian plate separated from the plate tectonic systems and moved towards the north, where they collided with larger Eurasian plates. This collision between two plates, larger plates, resulted as the formation of Himalayas. Due to the formation of Himalayas, the northern part of Peninsular Plateau and south of Himalayas was converted into large basin, and this great depression got filled by the eroded materials brought by the Himalayan rivers and Peninsular rivers in due course of time. It took not only some years, some months, some years. It took lakhs of years. The area where we live, the northern plains, was a large basin at that time when Indo-Australian and Eurasian plates collided and formed the Himalayan mountain ranges. This part, north of the Peninsular Plateau and south of the Himalayas, was the large basin that got filled with eroded materials brought by Himalayan rivers and Peninsular rivers with due course of time. When this basin was filled up by eroded materials brought by Himalayan and Peninsular rivers, this large basin was converted into large plains that is known as northern plains today. Now, I am coming on the points, the major physiographic divisions of India. Dear students, the land mass of India is diverse. There are various physical features we can see in our country in different regions. The physical features of India can be grouped as this way. Physical features of India. First, the Himalayan mountain. Second, northern plains. Third, peninsular plateau. Fourth, Indian desert. The Himalayan mountains, northern plains, peninsular plateaus, Indian desert, the coastal plains, and islands. These are the important physical features of India. First, the Himalayan mountains. Second, northern plains. Third, peninsular plateau. Fourth, Indian desert. Fifth, the coastal plains. And last, island groups. Now, the first topic is the Himalayan mountains. Dear students, you know that the Himalayas geographically young and fold mountains that stretch over the northern borders of India. These mountains ranges run in a west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra. In western parts, Indus, and the eastern parts, Brahmaputra, is the important landmarks of the Himalayas. The Himalayas have loftiest peak, which are covered with ice caps in several months of year. The length of Himalayas from west to east is 2,900 km. It is the length of Himalayas from west to east, 2,900 kilometers, and these mountains width में जाएंगे तो the variation of the width of Himalayas from 150 km to 400 km. Yes, 400 km. The Himalayas are 2,900 kilometers long from west to east, and these mountains are 150 kilometer to 400 kilometer wide from north to south. The altitudinal divisions of Himalayas. There are three important ranges of Himalayas. They are known as altitudinal divisions. They are Himadri, Himachal, and Shivaliks. I will explain such type of classification of Himalayas in next period. Thank you very much, and I hope you revise all these topics and I will send you some questions today. Thank you very much.